Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Vinod Bihani and we are continuing in today's mathematics session for the discussion of slope and intercepts of a straight line in two dimension. Can you see here, it is a diagram drawn where straight line L is shown in our two dimension coordinate geometry. That is, we know in two dimension we consider x axis, y axis like this, the point of intersection as origin, and suppose this line L is shown here with many points. Out of that, 2 points, A shown with coordinate x1 y1 and B shown with coordinates x2 y2. So we are considering 2 points on line A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 out of infinite points present on that line. It is also shown angle theta is the angle made by line with positive direction of x-axis. Our first concept will be to understand what is meant by inclination of line. The angle made by a given straight line with positive direction of x-axis is called as inclination of a line. So the angle made by a line with positive direction of x-axis is called as inclination of line. Inclination of a line. Can you see in figure? Here theta is inclination, and remember, if theta is inclination of a line, then tan theta gives slope of a line. So what is slope of a line? In terms of inclination, we have this formula. Slope is denoted by small m. Slope in terms of inclination is tan of inclination, that is tan theta. We can also define slope in the other form, considering the coordinates of the point on present that line. Like here, for example, ax1 y1 and bx2 y2 are any 2 points on that line, then slope is given by difference between y coordinates divided by difference between x coordinates of any 2 point on that line. Means here we can have such a ratio y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, or it is as same as y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. This slope denoted by m, and we have just seen this is also given by tan theta, where theta is inclination of a line. So that is the slope formula in terms of inclination and in terms of the coordinates on that line, that is the 2 point coordinate on that line. Now we deal with what is meant by intercepts of a line. A line has two intercepts, x intercept and y intercept. X intercept and y intercept. A line has such two intercepts. I repeat, one is called x intercept, other is called y intercept. Now what is that x intercept and what is that y intercept? To understand, we consider this another figure. This is our coordinate system, x axis, y axis, this origin, this is negative x axis, negative y axis, and suppose we have such straight line, it is denoted by L. Suppose this line intersect x axis at point A and y axis at point B. Suppose this point A has such coordinates a0 and point B has such coordinate 0b. We already know every point on x axis has y coordinate 0. Similarly, every point on y axis has x coordinate 0. Now see here, x intercept of line will be x coordinate of point A, and that is small a. Similarly, y intercept of line will be this y coordinate of point B, that is small b. So this point B has y coordinate B, and this B is called as y intercept. Similarly, this point A has x coordinate A, and that is called as x intercept. In short, in general, x intercept means it is the x coordinate of point of intersection of line with x axis, and y intercept means y coordinate, a point of intersection of line. For example, if you take this another line with now some particular here, suppose this point is P, this point is Q, and this point P has such coordinate, suppose minus 1 0, and this point Q suppose has coordinate 0 2. Then this line will have x intercept equal to minus 1 and y intercept equal to 2. So intercept can be positive, negative. If line passes through origin, then its both x and y intercept will be 0. So that is in short about the slope and intercept of a line. If you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and also get our notification by pressing that bell icon. Thanks.